Exploring unreal hypotheses. Hypodesk.
What lies at the edge of the universe? It's a question that everyone has pondered at some point. There are numerous theories about the universe, such as the multiverse theory and the expanding universe theory. In this episode of Hypodesk, let's let our imaginations run wild as we explore this question. But before we dive into the vast expanse of the universe's edge, let's start with the smallest world, quantum. Quantum is the smallest unit that makes up our world. Sometimes it behaves like a particle, and other times it acts like a wave. These quantum particles gather to form atoms, which then bond together to create molecules. And when these molecules combine, they form our bodies and the matter around us. In this way, our bodies are made up of countless tiny worlds. And furthermore, the Earth we live on is part of a vast universe filled with countless stars and galaxies. So, when we compare the smallest quantum with the largest universe, do they both have an edge? Or, if we assume that neither has an edge, how does the world continue? Here's a hypothesis to consider. What if our world has layers of structure, like a Matryoshka doll, that continue infinitely? If life in universes on different scales continue to add layers infinitely, our world might be enclosed within a larger structure, and that structure itself might be part of an even more immense being. But then, a question arises. If there is a universe inside our bodies, what happens when we jump, fall, or even die? Could it trigger natural disasters in that internal universe? Or worse, could that internal universe disappear if we cease to exist? However, what if there is a vast difference in the flow of time between the quantum world inside us and the world outside us? We usually perceive time as moving at a constant rate, but the flow of time can actually vary depending on the environment. For example, in places with strong gravity, time is known to move more slowly. This phenomenon is most prominent near black holes. Black holes have such intense gravity that time almost stops within their gravitational field. This effect is explained by Einstein's theory of relativity. Now, what if similar phenomena occur at the quantum level inside our bodies? For instance, what if 1 second for us equals hundreds or even thousands of years in the quantum universe within us? Conversely, what if centuries for us amount to just a brief moment in the outer layers? It is said that the Earth has existed for 4.6 billion years, but in the layers beyond our world, perhaps only a few minutes have passed. If this hypothesis holds, it would take a significant amount of time for our actions to impact the internal universe. In this way, the reality we know is shaped not only by space, but also by time and gravity. And beyond that reality, there may lie infinite possibilities that have yet to be uncovered. Quantum mechanics, relativity, and the theory of multiple dimensions all suggest that our world may be part of an infinitely expanding structure. As science advances, the day may come when we unravel the mysteries of this infinite world. And no matter how far we go, there may always be a new world beyond. In that unknown world, we may encounter realities beyond anything we've ever imagined. What do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.